ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather Super 7-Day Forecast.
Taking a look at the forecast, we are expecting some windy conditions on the way. And as you can see in all of these areas highlighted, we have a high wind watch that starts Tuesday night and runs all the way through Wednesday evening. And here's a good visual of what's going to happen. These are all the Santa Ana winds. All the red arrows show those breezes coming from the east, moving offshore. And these are some very warm, dry desert winds that are going to blow in excess in some areas over 60, even 70 miles per hour. So that's what we're seeing in the mountains. Those higher elevations being hit the hardest, and those are potentially damaging wind speeds. Keeping in mind, to put 70 miles per hour in perspective, a Category 1 hurricane is at least 75 miles per hour. So there is a serious concern about safety with wind speeds that fast. Inland, we're going to see some pretty strong winds as well. Those gusts could be higher than 40 miles per hour, and the coast, as expected, is slightly less affected, but could still certainly see some breeze. And so now is a great time, especially in our mountain communities, to think about how to prepare for the wind, avoiding downed trees, securing loose objects around the home and anything that might blow away, and also make sure to be careful on the roads because your travel could be impacted as well. Meantime, for San Diego, we're enjoying a beautiful sunset view, and we're staying nice and cool. We're remaining below average as we have throughout the weekend, and today's the chilliest that it's going to be the entire week. Right now, San Diego just 61 degrees, humidity 56%, a breeze coming from the northwest at 9 miles per hour, and elsewhere around the county, we're seeing some similarly cool conditions around the coast. We're all hovering right near that 60-degree mark, especially Carlsbad and Del Mar, 60 degrees on the dot, into the 50s for many of our inland communities, Escondido 56, Poway 55, and in the mountains, we are of course expecting to be chilly as we're going to slide through the 30s if you live in Palomar Mountain or near Mount Laguna. Meantime, the temperatures are going to warm up, and it's going to happen starting relatively quickly tomorrow. We have a trough of low pressure bringing us cool air and lower temperatures as a result. That's going to eventually migrate east throughout the week, and then we're going to notice a slight temperature bump, and the temperature cruises back down ahead of next weekend. So we can see that reflected in the 7-day forecast. A high of 65 for tomorrow. That's a few degrees above average. By the time we get to Wednesday, a high of 71. That is 2 degrees above average. And by the time we get to next weekend, we're going to dip right back down into those upper 60s. And of course, we're going to see some very windy conditions from Tuesday night into Wednesday. Our inland communities won't see it quite as much as the mountains, but we're still going to see some pretty substantial wind speeds. And it's also worth noting that those peak wind gusts are going to be isolated. They're not going to last very long. And then those Santa Ana winds will start to taper off on Thursday. Meantime, taking a look into the mountains, we can just see the impact that this is going to have. And thankfully, we're building up to a much calmer weekend ahead, noticing some still pretty cool temperatures. Next Saturday, for instance, a high of just 51 in our mountain communities. Sunday, 52 as that cloud coverage starts to roll back in. And finally, taking a look into the desert, the temperature not fluctuating very much, and their warm up comes just a few days. This comes about 24 hours after San Diego's warmest day of the week. Thursday and Friday, a high of 75 degrees.